Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, then you're in the right place. I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you so much for coming over. I hope you enjoy all my videos, and I really appreciate you coming by. And I want to give a shout out to Twisted Gypsy to say thank you so much for letting everybody know about my channel, and I really appreciate it, and I think you're absolutely fabulous. I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday season and a happy new year. And I also wanted to let you guys know that we have hit over 200 subscribers. Yay! So the 100 subscriber winner for my giveaway of the farmhouse calendars is Deborah Gerardo. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry if I messed up. I will reply to your comment to let you know that you're the winner. Please email me. I'll put my email address in the description box below, and in the title just put giveaway winner, and then I will mail out those farmhouse calendars to you. And since we have hit over 200 subscribers, I will be posting a video later with a 200 subscriber giveaway for you guys, so keep an eye out for that. So let's go ahead and get started on our craft for today. For today's project, you will need one of these decor pieces from Dollar Tree. This one had the little football guy on there, and it also had a little piece on the back that you're going to want to save. Or you can also use one of these beaded wood signs from the Dollar Tree if you'd prefer that as well. You'll need some black scrapbook paper, or if you'd like, you can also use black paint. You will need one of these DIY wood snowflake ornaments, or really any wooden snowflake ornament if you want. You will need some white paint, a glue stick or Mod Podge, a paintbrush, a pencil, a ruler, and some scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and either remove any piece that's here, and as I mentioned, you'll save the little plastic piece and cut it in half. And then you can either paint it black, or you'll get your scrapbooking paper, and you're going to want to go ahead and measure it out so you can cut it to fit the size of the picture. I'm just going to kind of cheat here and set it on the inside, and then use my scissors to just straight cut it. And then I'm going to go to the other side here, kind of lay it in there, tuck my scissors in where the gap is and cut it. Or you can measure it with a ruler, whatever you choose to do. And then you kind of want to make sure it fits in there. You can see it's a little bit tight on that corner, so I'm just going to trim off some of the edge. And then I'm going to take my glue stick, or if you want to use Mod Podge, you can do that as well. And I am going to take this and just put glue all over the back of it. And then I'm just going to lay it on the inside of my sign and press it down. And then just kind of make sure I'm rubbing it to make sure I get all the little creases out as well. So there you go. There's your black background. Now with the wooden ornament, you want to go ahead and get your paint. And if you want to first, I would recommend painting the ornament first so that way it can dry before you put your black paper in. I was just having a moment. So you can just take some of your white paint and your paintbrush and just paint it away. Now with the little hole here that you have at the top, you can fill it with some wood glue or wood filler, or just leave it as it is. But you're going to want to go ahead and paint. Now this is the Dollar Tree paint, which is acrylic. I don't think it actually works that great, so I have paint From Waverly. It's just a chalk paint. I find that that works better, so I'm actually going to use that. But if you need to use a Dollar Tree paint, you can. You'll just want to use a couple of coats. And then also what I'm going to do is it has some like kind of sticky gooey bits at the top. I'm going to use a little bit of that to fill in the hole that is on the ornaments. I'm going to just use my finger to kind of scoop up some of that goopy bit that's partially dried. And then I'm going to fill in the hole with that, so that way you won't even really see it. And then I'll go ahead and use this paint to paint my snowflake. So my snowflake is dry. And then I'm also going to get my glue gun, which I forgot to mention. If you want to use a glue gun, I highly recommend it. And I am going to put some glue on that little foam piece from the picture frame. And I'm going to place it in the middle. Now this part is optional. If you don't want your snowflake to stick out, you can just mount it flush against the picture. But I want mine to have a little bit of a 3D effect. And then so what I'm going to do is put some glue on the top side of the foam piece. And set the snowflake directly on there, and I'm going to go ahead and let that dry. So here is the finished product. You can stand it up or hang it on a wall because of the hook. I also went ahead and did one of the beaded signs. I painted it with the Waverly chalk paint. It took 2 coats, and then I glued on the snowflake flush without any 3D effect. And this is super cute. You can hang it up or hang it on the door as well. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy craft project. It's really great to have, especially if you're not ready to transition over into Valentine's Day yet. You can have a little bit of winter decor in your home. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave me a thumbs up. That helps me and my channel out quite a bit. If you haven't subscribed already, I'd really appreciate it if you do so. I'm trying to grow my crafting family here on YouTube. And until next time, take care. Bye.